Going to start a new chapter, chapter 12, trial balance of your book. Okay, trial balance. What is trial balance? I am going to discuss problem and solution. Solve numerical problem I will discuss on today. Okay, try to understand the concept of trial balance. Page number, uh, you know very well, 12.18 of your book. Frank. Try to understand the meanings of trial balance. Sorry, not Frank, T.S. Grewal. Okay, T.S. Grewal book. Try to understand it. So this is the introduction, chapter 12. Now I will discuss what is the meaning of trial balance. Try to understand meaning of trial balance. Now I am going to discuss it. Please take the screenshot of this definition and you will write in your notebook. Okay, after taking it, I think you can see it very easily without any problem. A trial balance is a statement. What is trial balance? Is a statement. Okay, prepared with the debit and credit balance. Okay, there will be a debit balance and there will be a credit balance of this trial balance of the ledger accounts to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books. Why debit and credit? To test the arithmetical accuracy of the book. That's why there is a debit balance and credit balance. Format of trial balance. What is the format of trial balance? This is particulars, LF, debit balance and credit balance. Okay, our heads of accounts here you can write LF amount. Okay, no problem. So this is the format of trial balance. Please take the screenshot. Okay, you have taken. Now I am going to discuss the problem of trial balance. Try to understand the problem. Now which type of problem I am going to discuss it. Please see the problem of trial balance. Then you can understand it very easily. Okay. This is the problem of trial balance of your book. Okay. This is problem. This is the problem of trial balance. Try to see the problem. Okay, try to see the problem, then you can do it without any hesitation. Okay, this is the problem. I think you can see it very easily. Okay, please take the screenshot of this problem. Okay, I am going to tell you the problem. Please take the screenshot of this problem. Okay, what is this? Capital account 2 lakh, debtors account 30,000, fixed assets 1,92,000, sales 1,000, sales 1,10,000, return outward, etc. In this way, this is problem. Please take the screenshot. Now I am going to discuss how will you solve this problem. Okay, of this problem. IC 11. Okay, page number 12.18. Try to understand the concept it. Okay, now I am going to solve this problem. How will you solve? I am going to tell you. How will you solve this problem? I am going to tell you. At first, you will write here trial balance as on. I think you can see it very easily. Trial balance as on date, here you will write. Okay, here you will write the date. Try to understand the concept. How will you solve the numerical problem of trial balance? This is particulars, LF, debit balance, credit balance. Capital is what? Debit or credit? This is capital, 2 lakh. Debtor is debit, 30,000. Fixed assets is also debit, 1,92,000. Next, sales always credit, 1,10,000. Clear? Return outward credit. Inward is debit but outward is credit. Return inward means sales return. Return outward means purchase return. Clear? Return outward means purchase return. So bills payable. If payable word is given, then you will always do credit. Payable or 8,000. Bank overdraft. If overdraft is what is given, then always you will do credit. Clear? Opening stock. Opening stock always debit. Understand? Creditor means credit, always credit. Purchase account, purchase always debit. Return inward means sales return. Return inward means sales return. Okay, return inward or sales return, both are same. Okay, and return outward means purchase return. Okay, return outward is credit and return inward is debit. Okay, try to understand it. Wages and salaries 30,000. Bills receivable 15,000. Rent 6,000. Calculate it. 2 lakh, 1,10,000, 1,000, 8,000, 11,000, 30,000. Calculate it. 3,60,000. And here you will calculate it. 30,000, 1,92,000, 15,000, 70,000, 2,000, 30,000, 15,000, 6,000. Add it. 3,60,000. Okay, if your balance is debit and credit is equal, then your answer is correct. If this is not equal, then your answer is incorrect. So in this video I have discussed what is trial balance, numerical solve problem of trial balance. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it, and don't forget to comment on this video. Thanks for watching.